Excuse me. Alright, here it goes again. That's just the bottom line. Maybe it's not. Oh, wait. Wait, what? He's telling Mario to leave all because of the sound like that. Are you sure about that? It happens in the dark sometimes. No. Not gonna play that again for me because that's just the bottom line now. That's probably not the reason. Oh no. Uh-oh. Mario, did you hear that sound? We got to leave the Mushroom Kingdom due to that. What was that? Mario, we got to leave Mushroom Kingdom due to that sound. We gotta leave, Mario. Have to. Play that again for me. No. No. That's just the bottom line now. This is not the reason. Ooh. Oh, Mario. He's hiding. Why is there a reverse, back, and use buttons? I'm hitting the back button. Me too. Bad news. Mario, be okay. We can start over, man. What if we start over? Oh, we starting over. We starting over. Oh, God. Master Hand. Excuse me. What? Fist? That was it. I'm hitting the back button. I'm hitting the back button. Not gonna play that again for me. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's just. Oh no. Oh no. Ow. Mario. What was that sound effect? Oh. Play that again for me. No. No. Oh no. We're not gonna play that again. That sound effect. Oh my goodness. What was that about? No, no, no. Ow. Ow. Play that. No. No, no, no. That's not funny. It's just once. It's just once. Oh no. Excuse me. I'm a fist. I'm a fist. You dare. Yes, it's over. What was that? Play that again for me. Oh no. What? No. It's like that. Yeah, that's right. Ow. We're not going to play that again. That's just a bottom line. Oh no. What was that sound? Mario. Mario, you okay? We can start over, man. You got this. Mario, we can start over, man. We got this. Alright. Alright. What happened? No way. That sound effect. Real something else. Oh no. Oh no. What? It's. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Play that again for me. No. We're not gonna play that again. Okay. That's not the reason. Oh no. Oh no. Mario, did you do this? Oh, Mario. Mario, this was big regret. Regret. Of course. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Excuse me. No, not again. Welcome back. Well, he's first. I can't believe it. I like this event a lot. I like it. Oh yeah, it's a pop now. It has to be slow motion too. My favorite event's back, but it hasn't been appearing for a few days. But at least we got it. So race then. Yes, it's your turn, Oscar. Finally, finally. Oh my goodness. We gotta be kidding me. What happened to the almighty fist? Oof, be careful. Oof. I need to win. Give me this, Oscar. Right before you're about to do this, son. I need that too. Thank you. Investigating this with a bunch of butterflies in it. What? Oh no! Red tint on the Wii menu? What was this about to? Oh my god. Oh, another one. I think we can use this a little bit longer. If you want. Yeah, I want to. I wanna. Don't end yet, please. I want more catnip than that. Unbelievable. Dang, can we get mice instead of the same stage? No, 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 no. That's what I told you, not again. Oh, gosh. I'll give somebody else a chance. Actually, no, let's continue as princess for a while. Hear me out. Okay. That's what he just signed up for this game. Okay, I get it. What was he doing? This always has to happen so many times. God! If you can't get mice, then I'll save this for later. Got him! Yes! Your turn, mice. Can't believe it. They were DLC. But why? Why did we DLC? Then can we get this after this? Again, second time. This mostly shows up. And hear me out. It happens. Oh, we're finished with that butterfly. Thank you. Normal? You call this normal? Normal? You call this normal? What have you done, Mario? Oh no. Oh, okay, I thought almost. Let me try this too. Okay then. This happens. How come they were DLC? Mario, buddy, oh pal, what's going on? Oh god, we're going. We're going. We're absolutely going. Can't take this anymore. Luigi's not here, so what? Oh my goodness. Yes! This is what I'm talking about! Looks like the king gets extra sleep from now on. 4 turns. Only 4 turns, man. He's such a cute, a chance material I've ever seen in my life. It's the same skill. Not gonna lie. Oh, that's mind-blowing. Oh my goodness. Cannon! Are you alright? You know, I can't help with the same message, but I'll let the game be, okay? Whoa! Mario, buddy, oh pal, what's going on here? Whew. Look at that. His is... He didn't need him. He didn't need him. They were DLC. He didn't need him. They were DLC. But why? Gone. He didn't need him. They were DLC. How? What have we done? How come they were DLC? That doesn't make sense, bro. That's not how translucent works. What? No, this way you just sign up for the game. I'm okay, but it's okay. I know you want me to make the joke game, but I'm not gonna do it, especially when Luigi's not here. Yeah, that makes sense, Mr. Somebody. Oh, no. I saved her. You are too gorgeous today, I tell you that. Are you doing this again? Fine, I'll let you be. Play that again for me. Why are you not laying down, girl? That's just the bottom line now. Oh, Mario. We need to leave now. I'm hitting the back button. This is something else, dude. But you were standing on one leg, thank you. Wait, no, give it to me. Before I go to Henry. There you go. Oh my god. Fine, you can come back. This is the last time I mean it. Okay, now calm down. Did you just destroy you on my fist? Yeah, remember, this is gonna be the last time, I guess so. Hey! This is the last time you're coming here. And that's all. Please tell me it's gonna be. This is what I call good news. Oh God. Yeah, I have been like this for a few days, and now, fine, you can come back, Luna, you can come back. Well, I'm just gonna say it's gonna be the last time coming back. Ah, not even mad, but you just said. You're my fist. Hey! Is this what you're gonna do when you come back? Oh my gosh. Oh, no, not again. Alright, come on, dude. Remember what I said. It's not gonna be every day. Unless they do something and like disobey me or something like that. I have to go. Stop doing that. It's gonna be, I don't know. No, you want to. No, you do. Good job. I'm proud of you. Stop! Stop! You just come back! You can't do this with me, okay? Yeah! Get off right now. So that thing just flew away, huh? Yeah, it's the last time, I swear. I mean, if... Oh, according to plan. Oh, you... Get this thing off my butt! If we do end up this, I'm going to investigate you, Mario. That sounds really something. What is this? Stop. You just came back. You just came back. Luna came back, and now you had to start like this. Pete's sake. If we... Yeah, how come you destroyed the mushroom like that? Why? No, you do. Good job. Proud of you. We have to attempt in this. Mario! Oh, okay. You gotta be kidding me. What is this? Okay.